Welcome to Made in Papa's Wood Shop. I want to talk to you a little bit about accuracy in plunge cutting. Here is what's going to be Mr. Cooper. This is going to be a retriever, and you can see here I've done a bunch of cutting to block it in, and I have the opportunity right here to do some plunge cutting. A couple of things I want to point out. Number one, this spot right here is big enough for me to get my big saw in. Maybe here if I go at this angle, but certainly not here. The big saw would cut into his paw or into his tummy. So one way to deal with this is to change how far through the cut you have to go. So here's the full width of the sculpture. Well, it's not all going to be there. There's going to be a bunch of this cut off and a bunch of this cut off. So down here where the legs are, there's not going to be a great width here to push through. Actually, it's only going to be about a third of what's there. And your ability to plunge cut and be accurate goes up substantially with how the width diminishes. You can be far more accurate if you're plunging through something narrow than through something thick. The second thing to consider is, do I need a smaller bar? It's possible that on a particular carving, the bar that you have is just too big. You're going to have to do something else. You're either going to have to chisel it or you're going to have to get a smaller bar. There's a tip and trick on plunge cutting from Made in Papa's Wood Shop. Please like and subscribe.